Wait, hold up. Before we even get started, I gotta show you the style. Y'all gotta get into this new style. I mean, obviously it ain't new. I didn't come up with it, but it's cute. I'm feeling it, and my hair is just doing this thing. So I'm gonna just show you the style. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another loc update. We are now in month 3, so I'm super hyped to get into everything that I've experienced throughout this entire month. So if you're interested, keep watching. So truthfully, this month has been like my most favorite month. I mean, I was excited when I first got my starter locks, but I really started to see so many changes in this 3rd month, and I'm just like blown away, and I'm excited for all the future months to come. But let's get into talking about this 3rd month. So first, I will start off with the budding and bunching that I've experienced. I realized that my entire head was budding, and I was so happy for that. I just started noticing like a lot of swelling in so many different areas close to the root, but like middle root. And I was like, what is this? And then after watching so many videos and figuring out that that's budding, I was like, yes. And then bunching, I feel like I mostly experienced that towards the front of my hair, because a lot of my locks in the back, I really didn't see much of it. But I didn't mind the bunching either. I was cool with it. I was like, you just do your thing, continue to lock up because mama is proud. But I was so happy. Like, I really love that this progress in this 3rd month was just so exciting. And I know it's only gonna go like up from here on out. So the second thing would be length. I noticed right away the difference between my length from my 2nd month to my 3rd month. My hair just felt like full. It felt heavy. Like when I was shaking it, it was on my neck. It was like, it was just doing its thing, and I was so excited to see the amount of growth that I retained compared to my 2nd and 1st month. So I'm happy about that. I'm happy that my hair is thriving and it's getting some length. I'm getting that hang time, and I'm really excited to see what the next coming months are going to present. Like, I can't imagine probably by the time I'm a full year, I might have like locks that I'm gonna say like right here, but it could be longer, could be not, I don't know. The 3rd point that I noticed for this 3rd month was that my hair was lasting a lot longer. My retwist was lasting longer, and I absolutely appreciated that. I didn't really mess with my hair as much. I tried my best to keep the same style, and mostly because I had a lot of events and things going on in this 3rd month, and I was like, I need to preserve this style as much as possible, because you know, once that water hit, it's clipped. So I was like, no, I definitely need to be able to maintain this for a long time. And I was proud of myself. I pretty much kept the style in for like 3.5 weeks. I also noticed that by keeping in my style longer, I was able to, of course, minimize the frizz. I was able to just obviously get up and go, but a lot of the things that I was doing when I didn't have the fresh retwist, or I wasn't preserving the style, wasn't an issue for me anymore. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try to like see how I can stretch these styles out a little bit longer, which leads me into my last point. This 4th spot goes to itchy scalp. I saved the best for last, and not because it was the best thing in the world, but because this was my only stressor this entire 3rd month. My scalp is very choosy, I will say that. I probably didn't start experiencing like the real itchiness until maybe after a week into the 3rd month. I then grabbed like some of my oils, and I was just making sure that I was oiling my scalp. And I tended to see that if I not necessarily dampened my scalp, but like kind of just used the spray bottle with my rose water in, and when I was spraying it, making sure that the scalp was also getting sprayed, but not to the point of it being drenched. I did that before I was oiling my scalp. But overall, I felt like the oil helped up to a certain point. Now, once I reached that 3rd week, my scalp was on fire. My scalp was like, ma'am, when are you gonna handle this? Because I'm gonna show you how real I could get. And I was like, whoa, hold up, we got one more event. Can you relax until that event is done? I promise you, after the event, the next day, I was in that shower washing my hair because I could not stretch it any longer and my scalp was really like on fire. So I'm still trying to figure out like how I can maintain a happy and healthy scalp while also trying to preserve my retwist style. So I don't know, we're gonna see what this 4th month brings me, but it was a very challenging 3rd month once we started to get to the finish line because the scalp was not having it anymore. But overall, I feel like this 3rd month was really one of my favorites so far. I've really seen drastic changes, and I know every month I see changes, but this 3rd month really like reassured me that I am moving in the right direction. I'm going to be so happy with my results, and I'm just so excited. Like, even a couple of the locks that are forming in the front, it started to hang on its own like how locks do, and I was like, yo, I have a whole lock right here. Like, it was just so amazing to see and to witness. So with that said, I'm just saying, hang in there if you have just started your journey, or if you are dealing with a tricky month, just hang in there because you are going to love your results. Just keep pushing it, keep doing what you're doing, continue your entire process. If you need to switch up things, but just try to be as patient and enjoy this process as much as possible because you learn something new about yourself and you learn something new about your locks each and every day with every month, and it's so beautiful. So just hang in there. And as always, I'm excited to always share my updates with you guys. So thank you for rocking with me, and I look forward to giving you an update for month number 4. Bye guys.